In Myanmar, opponents of the military rule have made the Easter egg a symbol of defiance. In the latest move, anti-coup demonstrators decorated boiled eggs with messages of defiance and solidarity on Easter Sunday. Scores of protesters decorated eggs with political messages and left them on neighbors' doorsteps. Pictures were posted on social media which showed eggs adorned with Suu Kyi's likeness and the three-finger salute, which is a symbol of the resistance in Myanmar, while others read "Save Our People" and "Democracy." After a night of candlelit vigils across the country, early bird protesters have hit the streets of Mandalay, some carrying flags and riding motorbikes. Myanmar has been gripped by severe turmoil since February 1st, when security forces staged a coup. Security forces have sought to quell a mass uprising with lethal force, with the death toll now reaching 557. 2,658 people have been detained. This weekend, Myanmar authorities issued arrest warrants for 40 celebrities, most of whom are in hiding. Meanwhile, 10 rebel groups held online talks on Saturday about Myanmar's crisis, fanning fears that a broader conflict could erupt in Myanmar. The country is long plagued by fighting between the military and the ethnic armies. The country's 20-odd ethnic armed groups control large areas of Myanmar's territory, mostly in border regions. Last week, the junta declared a month-long ceasefire along with ethnic armed groups. The announcement, however, has not seen the end of lethal force against anti-coup protesters. In hopes of paralyzing the hand of the wealthy generals of Myanmar, tens of thousands of Myanmar workers have gone on strike over the past 2 months. Bank employees, doctors, engineers, customs officers, railway staff and textile workers have all downed their tools as part of a civil disobedience movement. Meanwhile, foreign companies have also faced growing calls to cut their ties with the Myanmar military. But French energy giant Total has refused to halt gas production in coup-hit Myanmar. Total's chief executive says that the company has a duty to stay the course. On the other hand, French power group EDF has halted its activities, including a $1.5 billion project to build a hydroelectric dam. Italian fashion brand Benetton and Swedish retailer H&M have suspended all new orders from Myanmar. Supported by a widespread strike by civil servants, the unrest has crippled Myanmar's economy. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.